Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn date and time in Python with the help of examples. Python program can handle date and time in several ways. Converting between date format is a common core for computers. Python time and calendar module help track dates and times. What is tick? Tick time is time interval or floating point numbers in units of seconds. Particular instants in time are expressed in seconds since 12 a.m. January 1, 1970 epoch. There is a popular time module available in Python which provides functions for working with times and for converting between representatives. The function time.time returns the current system time in ticks since 12 a.m. January 1, 1970 epoch. Let's see this example in Jupyter Notebook. So I'm sure you guys know how to open the Jupyter Notebook. So again, I don't have to show you. First, we'll import the time module. And you see the time module has been imported. And next, we'll ticks is equal to time.time bracket open close print number of ticks since 12 a.m. NUAR January 1st 1970, right? Is comma ticks, and this would produce a result something like this. Now you can see the result, like number of ticks since 12 a.m. January 1, 1997 is some 160033859499769833 ticks. Date arithmetic is easy to do with ticks. However, dates before the epoch cannot be represented in this form. Dates in the far future also cannot be represented this way. The cutoff point is something in 2038 for Unix and Windows. Right. Next. What is time tuple? Many of the Python's time functions handle time as up to 9 numbers as index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So TM year, TM month, year is 2016, TM month is 1 to 12, TM M day is 1 to 31st, hours is 23, minutes is 59, seconds, weekdays, yearly days is date. Right. Getting current time. To, to translate a time instead from seconds since the epoch floating point value into a time tuple, pass the floating point value to a function, example local time, that returns a time tuple with all valid 9 items. And the code what you see on the screen would produce the result which we are going to see in a minute. Let's open a Jupyter notebook and type local time is equal to time dot local time dot time. Now print local current time local time. This is how we are going to print it. Now we got the result as it is. This is the one. Right. You can see it local current time structure. tm.year is 2020, tm.month is 9, tm.date is 17, tm.hour is 14, blah blah blah. Right, getting formatted time. You can format any time as per your requirement, but a simple method to get time in a readable format is ask time. Ask time. We'll check this out in our Jupyter notebook. Let's get on to the Jupyter notebook and import time. We have to import this time. It's a built-in module. Local time is equal to time dot asc time dot local time dot time next print local current time is local time. Now we'll execute this. We'll get the exact local time and current time. So see the difference between this time and this time. So ask time, right? Ask time. Getting calendar for a month. The calendar modules give a wide range of methods to play with yearly and monthly calendars. Here we print a calendar for a given month, January 2020. Let's check this out with example in our Jupyter notebook calendar. Now we'll import a calendar function. It's a pre-built calendar function. Calc is equal to calendar dot month 2020 comma 9. Print. Here is the calendar. Now print here. Now I'll execute this. This would produce this result. Now you can see the calendar is on the screen of that September 2020, and you can check the date out. Today is 17 and it's Thursday, so we'll see 17 is Thursday. Beautiful. Next we'll move on to the module method. There is a popular time module available in Python which provides functions for working with times and for converting between representations. Here is a list of all available methods, time zones, and these are things which you can go through it later and practice on Jupyter notebook. It's not that hard to understand it. The more you practice, the more you learn. Right. There are two important attributes available with the time module. They are time.timezone, time.tzname. Right. The attribute time zone is the offset in seconds of the local time zone. Attribute time.time is a pair of local dependent strings. Now we have another module, calendar module. The calendar module supplies calendar related functions, including functions to print a text calendar for a given month or year. By default, calendar takes Monday as the first day of the week and Sunday as the last one. To change this, call the calendar.setFirstWeekday function. We can set this up. And here is the list of functions available with the calendar module. You can see on the screen calendar function, calendar.firstWeekday function where you can change the first week, calendar.isLeapYear, calendar dot so and so. So we have it more functions here. You can see on the screen calendar dot month calendar, calendar dot month range. For cal per month, set first, time, GM, weekday. It's better to know these kind of functions and their descriptions so that if you require to use these kind of functions, you will be easier to understand. Like other modules and functions we have in this is, if you are interested, then here you would find a list of other important modules and functions to play with date and time in Python. The modules are datetime module, the PyTZ module, the dateutil module. There are three modules which you can, if you want to go in further in advanced level, you can use these modules. Alright, this is the end of session for date and time in Python. Hope you guys have fun. If you have any issues, doubts, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Have a good day. We'll join you next session. Bye.